In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a PDF document in a new tab in the Google Drive web version. This is especially useful if you like to keep your files organized while still being able to quickly jump between documents, or if you want to compare one PDF with another window or tab. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with Google Drive yet. First, you'll want to open Google Drive in your web browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Just go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. It's a good idea to double check you're in the account where your files are stored, especially if you use more than one Google account for work, school, or personal use. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to locate the PDF file you want to open. You might find it in your My Drive section, in a specific folder you've created, or under Shared with Me if someone else sent it to you. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top of the page and type part of the file name, then look for the one with the PDF icon next to it. When you see the PDF you want, move your mouse over that file and right-click on it. If you're on a laptop with a trackpad, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding down a specific key while you click, depending on your settings. Right-clicking will open a small menu with several options related to that file. From this menu, click on the option labeled Preview. This tells Google Drive you want to quickly look at the contents of the file without fully opening it in a separate editor. After you click Preview, a large preview window will appear in front of your main Drive view, showing the first page of your PDF. You can scroll through the pages here, but for this tutorial, we're interested in opening it in its own browser tab. Look toward the top right corner of this preview window. You'll see a row of small icons. One of these icons is for opening the PDF in a new tab. It usually looks like a small square with an arrow coming out of it, or something similar that suggests open in a new window or tab. Go ahead and click this icon. If you hover your mouse over it, you may see a tooltip that mentions opening it in a new window or tab, which can help you confirm you've got the right one. As soon as you click that icon, your browser will open the PDF in a separate tab. You'll notice a new tab appear at the top of your browser window with the PDF file name on it. Now you can click between your Google Drive tab and your PDF tab easily without losing your place in either one. From here, you can zoom in, zoom out, scroll through the document, print it, or download it if you need a local copy. That's all there is to it. By opening PDFs in a new tab from Google Drive, you keep your main file view accessible while working more comfortably with your documents, which can save time and make multitasking much easier.